anh đi lâu bạn tên thì mấy lâu ăn mặc bạn tên thì lâu anh tụi hoa lâu mày
Happy farewell to you. Rồi, lên vào đây. Lên mông thóc, đây còn đặt còn cao lên thế nào không đây?
God be with you till we meet again. By His counsel's guide uphold you. With His sheep securely fold you. God be with you till we meet again. Till we meet, till we meet, till we meet at Jesus' feet. Till we meet, till we meet. God be with you till we meet again. God be with you till we meet again. Neath His wings protecting hide you. Daily manna still provide you. God be with you till we meet again. God be with you till we meet again. Keep love's banner floating o'er you. Smite death's threatening wave before you. God be with you till we meet again. Till we meet, till we meet, till we meet at Jesus' feet. Till we meet, till we meet. God be with you till we meet again. Be with you till we In the darkest night, He shines so bright. With a love that's strong, He holds me tight. When fears arise, He whispers low, trust in me, He says I'll see you through. God's love guide me through every step I take. With His mercy and grace, I'll never go astray. He's my shepherd, my light, my way. God's love guide In the quiet dawn, He speaks so clear. With a heart that's pure, He wipes away my tears. When doubts arise, He shows me the way. Trust in me, He says, I'll guide you each day. God's love guide me through every step I take. With His mercy and grace, I'll never go astray. He's my shepherd, my light, my way. God's love guide me every single day. Though trials come and storms may rage, He's my rock, my refuge, my safe stay. His love endures through every test. With faith in Him, I find my best. God's love guiding me through every step I take. With His mercy and grace, I'll never go astray. He's my shepherd, my light, my way. God's love guide me every single day. You are not alone. You are not alone. God is with you. He will strengthen you. He will help you. He will uphold you with His right hand, and you will be victorious in His plan. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. Lean not on your own understanding part, for God will direct your path so bright and guide you through life's journey tonight. children.